The new Samsung Galaxy Trifold is here, but who is it actually for? Unfolded, the cover screen has 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's 422 ppi, 2600 nits of brightness, and 120 Hz adaptive refresh. When unfolded, you get a big 10-inch QXGA Plus display, which is also Dynamic AMOLED 2X, 269 ppi, 1600 nits of peak brightness, 120 Hz adaptive refresh, and the whole thing weighs 309 grams. Powering the Trifold is the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform for Galaxy. It has 16GB of RAM, and you can up to 512GB or 1TB of storage. You have 5600 mAh battery, 45 watts wired charging, and 15 watt wireless charging. For durability, you get IP48 water resistance, so there's no dust proof rating here, so be careful. For the cover, we get Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. The back has ceramic glass fiber reinforced polymer, and for the frame is a titanium hinge housing and advanced armor aluminium frame. Of course, the camera also matters. For the rear camera, we have ultra wide angle at 12 megapixel f2.2, which offers 120 degrees field of view. We have a wide camera at 200 megapixel f1.7 with 2x optical zoom, and a telephoto 10 megapixel f2.4, which offers 3x optical zoom, and you can zoom digitally up to 30x. For the front-facing camera on the cover screen, we have 10 megapixel f2.2 selfie camera, which gives you 85 degrees field of view. And you also get 10 megapixel f2.2 main, which gives you 100 degrees field of view. For the software, it's One UI 8, which is based on Android 16. This offers loads of features like multitasking features, which allows you to load multiple applications at the same time and do a lot more. It offers all the AI features we've come to know with Galaxy devices, so this should be a really good powerhouse. So this begs the question though, who is this actually for? Well, I would say it's not for everyone. Let's just get her out of the way. This is mainly for professionals who want a small screen and a large screen when the needs occur. So if you want the main screen, so the 10-inch screen, you can watch movies on there because it's so big, it's 10-inch. It's basically a tablet. And then you can load multiple applications at the same time. So you can run your calendar, you can run email side by side, for example, and see things. You can drag and drop content from one app to another and so much more. So that's really useful for those people who want to do that. And when you don't want to do that, you can just fold it back up, and then you just have one display that allows you to do just the regular phone stuff. And it's still big enough for you to still be able to multitask and do many things. The main thing about this device is this is mainly aimed at pro users. So it's not for everyone. It's super expensive as well for what it is. And it's only IP48 rated, for example, for durability. So this is food for thought. It's not for everyone, but it's for those people who want dual display, and it's only 2 display compared to what we're seeing with competitors, which allows them to be able to have 1, 2, and 3 displays. This is literally your small display, the cover screen, and that large 10-inch display. So if it's not going to offer what you want in that area, then there's no point getting this. If you've already got a tablet device, there's no point getting it either, because you've already got your phone and your tablet to do those things. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below.